Lily, let's go inside. Throw the ball. Throw the ball. Yay! I got it. You go get it. Ready? All right, go get it. You ready? Catch. Catch the ball. Yay! Lily, do you want to go inside? No. Lily, come on, let's go inside. Lily, you want to eat ice cream? Let's see, she didn't answer that one, though. Want to eat ice cream? No? No. 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 Oh, no. Lily, what does the car do? Does it go broom broom? Yeah. What do you say to the kitties? Uh-huh. What about go? Right. Go. Yeah. Hey, come on, let's go inside, okay? Well, now what? You didn't quite think that through, did you? Careful.